Guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Paul Jordan of LDM, Learn Digital Marketing. I started a course a few weeks ago that I purchased from Paul, and all I can say is I am completely overwhelmed with the knowledge, the way the course has been put together, the in-depth support that they give. It really is out of this world. Forget YouTube, forget Facebook. You need to contact Paul Jordan of Learn Digital Marketing and get on this course and really learn everything there is to do with digital marketing. I can't say enough about this course, and I can't say enough about the help that I've got from Paul and his team. Is helping me to overcome many aspects that I thought I knew a lot about beforehand, but realised that I know very little. So please, one more time, just call, get hold of Paul Jordan. I'll put a link in the bio and learn all there is about digital marketing.